Hello everyone, this is Mick for Nexus. Welcome to 64 Walnut Street, Unit 3, East Providence, Rhode Island. Before we begin touring this one bedroom, one bathroom unit, I'd like to remind you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all the latest updates and videos of vacant apartment, real estate news, and property management. Thank you. So this is a recently renovated one bedroom, one bathroom unit located on the third floor of a three-family home. Unit offers convenient location and off-street parking. Begin our tour here in the living area. Please note there is a laminate hardwood floors throughout the entire apartment, and it's in great shape. Shines wonderfully. Entire unit has been freshly repainted. There is internet and cable ready for immediate occupancy. Being on the third floor, there is definitely a very substantial slant over the ceilings throughout the apartment. Couple large windows, definitely enough room to fit your sectional furniture, your entertainment center, couple couches, and a sofa would fit right in there. And then we have this nice staircase that would lead you to a main entrance to the unit to the left, and there is a storage opportunity straight ahead, a perfect place for a coat rack, store your coats, store your boots. So we are in the dining part of the living parlor. Perfect place for a small to medium dining set right here by the wall, or you can put a couple bar chairs, high stools right here, and have a breakfast bar. 4-burner gas stove and cabinets with a stainless double bay sink on my left, and there is a more counter space and cabinets on my right. Plenty of electrical outlets for your convenience throughout this apartment. Bifold doors as a nice pantry storage. Ceiling fan and a light fixture up above. There's more cabinets and a large refrigerator. As we are heading back towards the living area, one and only bedroom is straight ahead. And again, same great condition laminate hardwoods. And a small, rather small room with lower ceilings, slanted ceilings, but offers a great walk-in closet almost there with a shelf and a hanging rack. So there's a nice closet, plenty of baseboard heating, which is sourced by gas. Tenant is responsible of paying gas, but electricity is included in rent. Size-wise, you'll be able to fit a queen-size bed in here, leaving some room for the rest of your furniture. Perhaps some smaller would fit better if you have other items to place in the bedroom. One in the bathroom would be off the kitchen area. Very neat, updated bathroom with tile floor. Nice sink vanity there, beautiful mirror, and a skylight. On my left will be a small tub, all tiled around. And you have a shower, a shower head here. So, shower and a tub. As a tenant of Nexus Property Management, you'll be able to enjoy benefits of paying your rent online, finding your maintenance requests, and chatting live with us 24/7. Once again, this is Mick for Nexus here at 64 Walnut Street, Unit 3rd floor, East Providence, Rhode Island.